I want to talk about this cordless vacuum cleaner from Powools. I needed something to clean up dog hair around the house. My dog is shedding all over the place. Additionally, in my basement, I have a wood stove, and if you have a wood stove, you have dirt that gets tracked in sometimes. You get ash all over the place, and this is going to come in really handy for that. A couple of the features I like about this, you get a whole bunch of different accessories. You get a spare filter, which is nice, and a couple different attachments that you can put on to the vacuum to make it useful in all sorts of different types of cleaning applications. And operation is a piece of cake. You plug it in, let it charge up for a while. Make sure you get a good charge on it before you use it the first time. And it's a one button operation. You press the power button and you get going. You can see right there, it's got good suction. It's picking up everything that I'm hitting up right there around my fireplace. And additionally, this unit has a light on it, which makes it really good if you're in a low light area, or hey, if you want to vacuum with the power off, what the heck, I'm not going to judge. This is going to be really useful. And when you're done, press that button, you'll open up the unit and you'll pull out the filter, and that's going to make it easy to empty it out and you'll be ready to go again. If you'd like to pick one up for your home, please click on the link in the description below.